Hi everyone, thanks for joining us today. Today we're going to be walking through how to set up and use the EM Test V4780 tap transformer for DIPS testing in accordance with IEC 61000-4-11. During today's video, we are using the compact NX7, which you'll see on our left right there, and this is the telecom model, so it is slightly larger than the more traditional compact NX7 units. During today's video, we are also using the V4780 S2 model, which you'll see on our right. We're going to go ahead and we're going to start the video by walking through a little bit about the transformer, including the connections that need to be made on the front of the equipment. Then we'll move to how to get the transformer operational with our compact NX7. And then finally, we'll go ahead and run a quick test, and then we'll verify just to be sure our system is operating correctly. Now let's go ahead and let's take a little closer look at the front side of our V4780. Here you're going to find the V4780 S2. As we mentioned previously, this tap transformer is designed for DIPS testing in accordance with IEC 61000-4-11 at 40%, 70%, 80%, and 100% levels. During today's video, we're using the S2 model, which allows for automatic selection of the different levels using the EM Test control software. Now let's go ahead and let's take a little closer look at the front side, and let's start from the left and let's work our way right. Starting from the left side of the unit, you will see an F.1 and F.2, and those are where the fuses for this unit can be accessed. Working our way right, you will see we have a PF1, PF2, N, and PE banana jack connection right there, and those are going to be connected to the back side of our compact NX7. And then working our way right, just to the right of that, you will see a BNC connector, which is the communication cable, and again, that's going to go to the back side of our compact NX7. As we mentioned previously, this is the S2 model of the V4780, so you'll see the PF2s are blocked out. That selection is done all through the control software. So now let's go ahead and let's look at the back side of our compact NX7 and just show everyone how those connections are made from the front of our tap transformer to our compact NX7. Alright, here you're going to find the back side of our compact NX7. Starting from the left side, you'll see your EUT supply input, and you'll see a PF1, PF2, N, and PE. Those are going to connect to the corresponding connections on the front side of the V4780. Now there is one more connection that's going to need to be made, and that's going to be the communication 0 to 10 volts from the V4780 to our compact NX7. And you can see it right there. It is the third from the left down connection. It should be labeled 0 to 10 volts, and that same label you should see on the V4780. Alright, so that should just about wrap up the connections that are required to get the system operational. Now let's go ahead and let's start it up and take a look at the display. Here's the starting display for the compact NX7. Now let's walk through how we add the V4780 and how we conduct testing for 4-11 using our compact NX7 with the DIPS transformer. Alright, so now let's go ahead and let's add the V4780. So to do that, we got to go ahead and click Menu and go to the fourth or fifth one down. That's going to be Setup. And we are interested in the transformers option in the lower right hand corner. And we're going to go ahead and go to Add. From there you should see a drop down for variable. We're going to click that. And we have a tap transformer. And you should see about the fourth one down, V4780. Click that, and then we're going to click Add. Excellent, so you should see it pop up right there, and now we are good to go. So let's go back to our home screen. Okay, so now let's go ahead and let's click on Power Fail. And we are interested today in voltage dips. And let's just go ahead and use the Quick Start menu today. Alright, here's the Quick Start menu, and you can see there's a little bit of criteria on here you can modify. Right now we have the voltage dips set at 40%. We have our TD at 1 second, our TR at 3 seconds, and we're just going to keep all the other criteria the same on here today. So when you are ready to run the test, and we'll do that in just a minute here, all you have to do is hit the Test On button, and then below that, the Start button. Alright, now let's go ahead and let's run a quick test, and let's verify it with our digital multimeter. For this test, let's go ahead and change the TD to 5 seconds. Excellent, just like that. And now we're ready to go. Let's go ahead and take a look at our digital multimeter. Alright, so we have our digital multimeter hooked up to our test supply on our compact NX7. And you can see we're currently reading about 118 volts. So now let's go ahead and run our 40% dip test, and let's go ahead and watch the measurements on our multimeter. Alright, perfect. So just as we were expecting, 47.2 and then right back to about 118 volts. And again, this is just a really quick verification. Obviously, this isn't measuring a whole lot of other criteria other than just that very basic voltage drop. Alright, that should just about wrap it up for today. We began the video by talking a little bit about the EM Test V4780 transformer. We walked through some of the different connections that need to be made to get the system operational with our compact NX7. Then we started up our test generator and we added the V4780 into our software. And then finally, we ran a quick dips test at 40% using our digital multimeter as a very rough verification tool just to be sure we were seeing the correct decrease. Well, we hope this video has been useful, and please keep us in mind if you're ever in need of any rental EMC test equipment, including the compact NX7 or V4780 transformer we used in today's video, which can both be used for 4-11 testing.